Okay, this market is grinding, waiting for the beige book information to come off. Apple has sold off today on their news that everybody knew was coming out. So that's put a big kibosh. I was actually short Apple and got shaken out, broke my own rules. I was short Apple, and the 144s had my stops in above 146 going into the news, and I chose not to follow my trade, and I broke my own rules. So, anyways, I ended up losing 30 cents on Apple. Would have made about $4 as it did what I thought. Sold the news after they introduced another new iPod. Yippity doo. Anyways, we're having a good day over here at daytradeadvisors.com. We came in short the SPOOs from yesterday at 14.95, and we covered them up at 14.80. I'm showing them here again. They're at 14.73. But again, go over to daytradeadvisors.com. Come on in, try out our educational chat and chart service where you can actually see I talk about charts all day, and you're able to buzz in and look on my screens as I'm looking at them real time. So come on in, it's worth it. A lot of good traders in the room, and we're learning a lot of ways to make money: futures, stocks, options. We talk about it all, and we try to share our knowledge and pass it on what the knowledge that we're able to garnish in this industry. Anyways, the again, I show this SPOOs trade again because we've been in a downtrend all day again. Are we going to reverse like we did yesterday at the end of the day, and have a rally at the end? Well, to me, it all depends on that this trend line that you can see is in place and it keeps holding. And right now, it is a trend day down, so there's no point in trying to catch a falling knife here. In my opinion, I think you want to be selling all rallies. As far as stocks, again, Apple traded down. We've been involved in a few names. I'm getting short some dry shipping today. I got short TNH a couple times, traded around for some profits, and are still short TNH with stops above yesterday's highs. So we're trying to make some trades out there. The AD line is minus 3,200, continuing to be very negative, which has kept me on the short side of trades. Again, I use the AD line to keep me on the right side of trades. If it's up 3,200, I want to be long. If it's down 3,200, I want to be short stocks. That's always a good indicator to follow. I've got my Swedish fish here, heading out of town for the next 2 days, so I won't be around the next 2 days. Got my Swedish fish. My son and I are going to go to a football game back in Ann Arbor. Yes, the same Ann Arbor that lost to Appy State. I've heard all the jokes, and quite honestly, Michigan should have lost by 20. And all the bad news and all the negative fired Lloyd Carr stuff. One thing I will say is his players do respect him, and there's something to be said for respect in this day and age. Michigan has run a clean football program, unlike their basketball program they've had in the past. So there's something to be said for that. So be careful what you wish for and wanting a new coach. I understand he has not done the job. He did win a national championship. You got to give credit where credit is due, but there's a lot of things you could say about Lloyd Carr, but one thing is he does not lack respect of his players and the people around him in the department. So keep that in mind. Let's see where this trading day goes, and see if we can continue to pick our spots here and make some more good trades.